my channel. So I'm ready to going out right now to make my grocery. But I am super excited for this video because it's Scrawl Box Art Supply mystery box. So I'm pretty excited to open with you guys. But before we can start it, please guys follow me on my social media if you want updates and more. If you want to buy my paintings, guys, you can find the link in the info box below. So yeah, we can start it now with this video. So yes, as you can see, this is the Scrawl Box little box. I'm just open with you. Okay guys, the first thing that I have here is the little card that describe all the things that you receive in this box. And we have a 𝒲𝒽𝒂𝓃𝓃𝓃𝓄𝒃 artist pen. It's like a white ink pen, so that's amazing for details with like in white. Then we have 𝒲𝒽𝒂𝓃𝓃 9000 pencil, which is like a classic pencil, very amazing, in 2H, which is one of my favorite pencil to use. We have two of 𝒞𝒽𝒃, this is Italian I think, 𝒞𝒽𝒃 liscia, which is two of paper sheets. And as you can see, wow, in fact I used this today to make my drawing. Then we have a 3 Pro marker, Winsor & Newton, 3 brown shades, almost nude and chocolate colors. I don't know, I really like them. A technical pen to use for like inking part. And then Sakura Pigma Black, which is like a brush, which is amazing. I love this so much. Okay, now we just open this and watch all the products. Of course, in every single Scrawl Box we have a challenge, and this challenge is growing up, as you can see guys. This means that growing up is the theme of the challenge, so yes, I'm so excited to like, I don't know if I'm really good to respect this theme, but yeah, growing up is the theme and amazing for my creativity, yes. So last but not least guys, this is the drawing like artist of this month's Scrawl Box. Have an artist that you can find every single month, and this is like very cute. This is Joby. Oh my gosh, she is Italian. Wow, hi Joby. Maybe you see this video. And as you can see, growing, which is the theme of this challenge. And she made a plant, which is amazing because plants are always growing up because, you know, very pretty. Oh my god. Okay guys, for the theme growing up, I was thinking about hair, just because of course I love hair, and I think that growing is also for like things like hair, you know. Yes, so this pencil is very light because it's a 2H, and because of that is very precise, very hard. And this is because it's perfect to like, you know, make the real definition of the drawing, the real final drawing. Maybe I use now only for sketch another pencil because it's not very, you know. So I want to make a girl with long hair. As you can see guys, I'm just starting to make the dress because I want like this part with hair and this part a very pretty dress. Maybe some spring, you know, because we are in the spring situation, and I love it so much when the t-shirt is like here, you know, and we have like, I don't know the name in English, no romper, but jeans romper. No, jeans. What is the name? Oh my god. In Italian is like tuta in jeans, you know. So yes, this is the tutina in jeans, guys. I don't remember the name. Can you please write in the comment, guys, what is the name of this clothes? I don't know. So, and then I love to make like stripe. Oh my god. Lines? Why today I not remember anything in English? Why? So I love this t-shirt with these lines. Added, as you can see guys, the pockets, little pockets here. And maybe I don't want to like show them too much. It's like only shadow effect. So if you can see guys, if you make this little movement of the pants, you can make more realistic stuff. I can use all the Scrawl Box stuff in these drawings, but of course I can add some colors. So maybe I want to add like something with blue jeans here and something to color here, you know, the shirt. But it's pretty okay to me because brown shades is always okay to me. Oh my god, I love the lashes, like, yes. And then I add the eyebrows. Part of this drawing is literally finished. Just remove this part. So I'm just starting to use this, which is dusty pink, and this will be the skin. Okay guys, as you can see in the Scrawl Box, of course, products, I don't have the pink, and I'm like, okay, so I'm just take another pink, buy my copy. I need blush in my life, so yes, sorry, but for the blush, I'm not the same person, you know what I mean? Thank you, Jesus. So I'm just doing the blush. Find out the color in you, I see. M2, and boy, I like it, I like it, I like it. So now I'm just start to color the hair, and I wanna make the base with the cinnamon marker, only the fourth base. I mean, these markers are very amazing, but I don't like too much the situation to the sign. I mean, the dusky pink is pretty okay, very cold and different, like the packaging, as you can see guys, this is very beige and this is very taupey, you know what I mean, no? The cinnamon is pretty similar, as you can see. I mean, when you start to color with this marker is too dark, and then when they dry they come really light. I don't know if I want to make this blue in jeans because like I don't have the blue in this Scrawl Box, but maybe I can make this in brown and make this in yellow. Yeah, that's pretty. I like that, the fact that you can make layers. And with this pencil, I'm just color the lines of this shirt. And then I add the inking part, which is, I'm just waiting for so long. And then after that, I'm just adding the lipstick. Sorry guys, I need nude and blushy color for the lipstick because, I mean, it's totally my opinion. Only to try this, guys, only to show you. This is like a real brush. As you can see, is very difficult because if you guys make a mistake, it's a shit. So it's almost like a very comic vibe, like manga style, but it's very hard to use it because this is so soft, the point is so soft, and maybe this is cute for calligraphy, and yeah, but it's cute, you know, but it makes me so uncomfortable to make the inking part because I need precise and more, like, you know, definition. Okay guys, this is the girl finished. I'm pretty like proud, you know. Now I'm just add the background. And I wanna add some circle. So yes. The video. Oh my god, I'm really happy for the result, and I really hope that you enjoy it too. Let me know in the comment what you think, guys. We will see in the next video. Ciao.